Any questions, madam? Dr. Arunachalam? Venkatesh, sir?
Sir, good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Sir, dear participants,
Good morning.
kindly
Any
raise
questions
your
so
hand.
far? Participant, faculty, boys, girls,
faculty-
anybody on any
faculty
topic.
members, if you have
Your
any
future,
queries, kindly check.
your what do you call projects, going abroad, anything. Should we do a master degree or not? Should we go for PhD or not? I'll answer all those questions.
Dear sir, ma'am, if you have any doubts, kindly
Yeah.
put your doubt in the chat box.
Query, suggestion, anything. Should we study in a regional language or not? New education policy.
Sir, there are too many queries, sir.
Yeah.
First one is
Please.
Dr. A. Sendil Kumar sir asked widely used motor in electrical vehicles.
Why electric motor?
No. Widely used motor in electrical vehicles.
Should we use electric motor?
Yes.
Question is
Sir,
what? Why should we use electric motor?
There are
Okay.
queries in the chat
See,
box, sir. Their queries are in the chat box. Kindly see in the chat box, sir.
No, I won't be able to read chat box. You can write it on the screen and I can read it. Otherwise, slowly you can speak.
Sir,
Key
I
area
tell,
to do research in
One by one. One by one.
So first one is,
see, electric motors are the most versatile thing. They are available from 0 megawatt to 100,000s of megawatt. Then they are very robust, very cheap, and very good controllable thanks to the power electronics. You see, power electronics has made electric, and then there is a vector control. I don't know whether you read vector control. Where vector control can make any motor to operate like any other motor. So that is the important thing. Then there is a flexible electric motor. Then there is a special electric motor, Sharbius motor, Schrage motor, and so on. So the various advantages are there in using electric motor. They are cheaper and less pollution, more efficient. The high efficient motors are available. See the fan now there is a 5. This thing is there, and you can control remote control also. Sitting at your in office also you can control the appliances in the house. For example, fridge, washing machine, anything, AC, all these things you can control sitting at your home, sitting at your office. And that is the beauty in the control system. There is optical control, optimal control, non-linear control. So many controls are there. Stochastic control. Can you tell me what are the different random variables in the world? There are only 3 random variables which are very important. One is the customer. When customer will come, nobody knows. Tea wala doesn't know when the person will come, ask for a tea. Second is your cell phone. When it will ring, nobody knows. That's why you say in class, no cell phone, please. Now, cell phone, everything is available. That's why it is not allowed in the exam hall. Third thing is the death. When death will come, nobody knows. So these are called random variables. In power system, load is a random variable. When load will increase, when load will decrease, we don't know. Water inflow, when it will rain, we don't know. Anytime it can rain, anytime it can stop. So agriculture depends on rain. Your power generation depends on rain. Your flood control depends on rain, and so on. So this is a very important topic. So please read the book by Papoulis, Random Variables and Stochastic Control, and read my papers. There are 830 papers I told you. Whichever you want, you can read it and do go ahead with your MTech, go ahead with your PhD and do it. PhD is a must nowadays. Without PhD, this Honorable Prime Minister may stop jobs also. Who knows? He is capable of doing anything. That's why PhD is a must. Please do register for PhD immediately. Anna University, Amrita University, PSG, CIT, your own college, I told you to become a university. And I can help you. And you can appoint me as the distinguished adjunct professor for your Annapurna College. I can come once in a month and teach with you and sit with you and plan the progress of the college. Make it like better than any other college in Tamil Nadu. Let us make it number 1 in Tamil Nadu. Yes, please. Any other this thing? Have you
Yes,
got
sir.
those slides? I asked my doctor to send. Can somebody
Sir,
check
one more question.
the slides are there? Yeah, question I will answer. But can somebody simultaneously check whether my slides have come? Yes, question, madam, you can ask.
Yes, sir, the question is from participant. Is there any PhD
Bit loud,
opportunity?
bit loud. No,
Is
no,
there
madam, bit
any-
loud. Huh?
Sir,
You can write
is there
here.
sir, I will tell sir. Is there any PhD opportunities
Ma'am,
in
Muthamal ma'am.
electric
Muthamal
vehicle?
ma'am, I
Sir,
share the questions, ma'am. Ma'am, Muthamal ma'am.
sir, நீங்க
What
sir,
is that rainy season?
sir, is there any
No, no, sir.
PhD?
Now I share the question. You can see in your screen. These are the questions.
No, no, rainy season, what happens?
Sir, questions and share in your share it, sir, in your screen will display.
No, no,
Sir.
chat, I won't be able to read. I don't know where is the chat box. I'm an old
Okay.
timer. Chat is here
Oh.
somewhere. Let me see.
சரிங்க. Okay, sir. Then I will
Yeah.
read it, sir.
Any
If
internships or opportunities for BTech third year student? Yes, why not? Who is this boy or girl? From Manish Kumar. Yes, there are chances. You can do internship after third year. I told you, I gave you two websites. Have you noted down those two websites? Second question over the slip ring. Please read my book, fifth edition, chapter number 8, induction motor. I answered this question there. Then there is a red cover book also, Sham series. You can read that book also. Electric machine, 2006, Tata McGraw-Hill. See, there is a slip control. 40% slip won't be there anyway. Slip will be 0 to 10%. 40% slip means something wrong with the motor. Slip is ns minus n upon ns. There cannot be a motor with 40% slip. Thank you. Nice session, sir. It's not yet over. We'll go on and on. Did you get my slides? Can somebody check? Guru Prakash is starting to share content. Nice session, sir. Key areas to do research in a vehicle, sir. The main key area is charging. Charging is the main. I told you I just examined one PhD thesis on charging. If you want, I can send you the soft copy of the thesis. You can go around it. There are several books have come on electric vehicles. Read that. Everything is important in electric vehicle. Future is electric vehicle. So how to charge it, how to charge is fast, how many kilometers charging station should be there so that you don't have to wait or worry. There are so many good chapters are there. So you can read all the chapters. Read my fifth edition of modern power system analysis. I have given one full chapter on electric vehicle. That is more than enough. There are 29 chapters given on power system engineering book, third edition, 2019. Read that book also. Get it from Amazon if you're not getting in the market. Any books on EV vibration? Well, you have to see CRTC press, IEEE press, Springer. So many books have come. There is a flood on electric vehicle. See whichever you ask your teacher to get a copy in your library. You won't be able to purchase all the books. No need also, because books are very costly and you people are not so rich. How to select motor? Selection of motor is a very important topic in anything, not only in electric vehicle. So there are given one full chapter in electric machine, 5th edition, selection of electric motors for a given purpose. Drives is the area. Now GK Dubai is no more, but I have another drive book along with Rakesh Lodhi, IK International. Read that drive book. I had not received. Why? So same email ID where I got electric vehicle slides.
The slide received, sir. Now only it is a slide received.
No, same ID where I sent electric vehicle.